Emma is a graphic designer who starts with a passion for creating custom designs as a hobby. By day, she works in a corporate job, but by night she dedicates time to her side hustle. Emma embodies determination, creativity, and resilience. Her journey from a hobbyist to a successful full-time entrepreneur is the central focus of the story. They are the first to receive Emma's designs and provide early feedback. Their encouragement and initial orders help Emma validate her talent and potential for a business. They play a crucial role in her initial success by supporting and sharing her work. They are the audience that sees Emma's designs shared on social media. Their positive feedback and interest lead to more custom work requests and increased visibility for Emma's side hustle. This influencer discovers Emma's work and shares it with their followers, providing significant exposure. This pivotal moment leads to a surge in orders and traffic to Emma's online store, marking a major turning point in her business. Hired by Emma to help with administrative tasks as her business grows. The assistant helps streamline operations, allowing Emma to focus on creative work and strategic decisions. While not a character in the traditional sense, Emma's corporate job represents her initial source of income and stability. It also represents the conflict between her current job and her growing side hustle, eventually driving her decision to make a change. If mentioned, they would represent those who help Emma with marketing, product expansion, and brand building as she transitions to full-time entrepreneurship.